Hello everyone, it's Wale Ladipo here. I want to talk to you about passion. Passion is my focus. Thank you for being part of our community. Now, what is passion? Passion is the secret to fulfillment in life. Whatever you want to be, if you've not been able to unleash your passion to help others, it is very, very tough to achieve self-actualization. Now, the core, really the core energy of passion lies in the contribution of happiness to other people. So you ask yourself, what do I have? What is it within me that is so powerful that I can unleash to help others? It doesn't matter what that is, as long as you are passionate about it and is serving humanity. Passion is whatever it is that you got within you that can expand happiness, wellness to other people. Now, money is a reward. Money is nothing but a reward that you get from solving problems to other people or for the other people through your own passion. So I want to quickly talk about a few steps. Number one, check your heart. A lot of people want to succeed, they want to progress, but the intention behind their success pursuit is wrong. Why do you chase happiness? Why do you chase success? Is it to prove to other people that you are better than them? Or is it because it's something that is very, very intimate to your heart that you can't just not afford? You cannot afford not to express it. Is it a passion that focuses on service, on the expansion of happiness to other people? So check your heart. If your heart is wrong, you will be working against the laws of nature and you will not have a future. Now, number two, that is very critical, is that be clear, become very clear. What is it within the area of your passion that has the most powerful energy to impact others? What do you love the most within the pool of your passion? Now, the world is crazy with competition. You won't stand a chance if you become the jack of all trades, master of none. You've got to specialize in one thing and let the entire world from now know you with that thing and stop changing and chopping around. Focus on one thing. Take your time. It took me about 4 or 5 years to figure out what I should be focusing on. But once I got that, I don't deviate anymore. I focus on one thing. Now, if you don't focus, you will eventually defocus. And number three is to prepare for a marathon, not a 100 meters dash. Life is an expression of endurance. The test of endurance must be passed before you qualify to achieve the greatest ideal for the future. Now, the last one is to eliminate complaining, jealousy, and self-condemnation. Now, you will never be able to attract the future that you continue to resent. You will not attract a future that you continue to mourn and groan about. When you see something that you love, when somebody has something else that you love, when somebody is already enjoying the future that you want to create, say some prayers. Just pray for them. Say some wishes. Say something positive that radiates with the energy of your intended purposes. I can't believe how many people who just curse people. Anybody that is driving a nice car is a drug dealer. No, come on. Until you transcend your resentment, your bitterness for success, you will not be able to approach and lay hold of that future. So, Mwala Ladipo, your journey in life is different from others, and what you've been given is different from other people. There is a chance for everyone as long as we know how to focus. So hopefully this is good for you today. It's good for you talking to you, right? That you listen to me. Start to think, listen to this again and share with other people and start to streamline your life. Now remember, life is a marathon, not a 100-meter dash. So don't quit on me. Don't get discouraged. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Just want to leave you with the word of one of my biggest teachers, one of the Harvard philosopher, Henry David Thoreau. He says that if one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams and endeavors to imagine the future, to visualize the future that is imagined, it says that it will meet with success unexpectedly and in common hours. That is for you today. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.